Hello and welcome back to day 18 of 30 days of teaching you how to teach abroad. We're gonna do it this way because I can't find my tripod. Little Miss Forgetful over here. Today is gonna be all about the language barrier. So this is another frequently asked question, even when people are just inquiring about, oh, you're moving there, like, do you have to speak the language? And the short answer is no. All the years that I have been in the region, I have never had to learn Arabic in order to do my job, right? So the kids, when they come, they are bilingual because they start learning English from a very young age. So by the time they get to, me in second or third grade, they're pretty much fully bilingual. Of course, there's gonna be those small grammatical things, but everything that I teach is in English. And obviously, depending on your curriculum, it's also gonna be in English. So as far as the language barrier with the kids, no. Now, there may be some staff in the school that you may have difficulty communicating with if you guys don't have a language in common. We are very fortunate to have a lot of staff who are bilingual in English and Arabic, so sometimes they can translate from speaking to another teacher. And also with parents, I do have a few parents who don't speak English or they don't feel comfortable speaking English to communicate effectively. So I have had other teachers who are bilingual come and sit in on conferences and things to make sure that I'm communicating effectively, the parent is communicating effectively, and that we can come to a common ground on what we're trying to accomplish. That's something that I would also ask and check for, hey, is there an ability or someone in the school who is bilingual who could help translate if we needed to do that. Now, I would say, of course, since you're moving to a new place, don't just go there all willy-nilly. Attempt to learn a few basic phrases of the language. Hi, hello, where's the bathroom? How do I get here? Things like that. So some apps for that could be Duolingo is a really quick and easy one. Pimsleur, I love Pimsleur. I actually need to renew my subscription. If you're not sure what Pimsleur is, it's also a language learning app, but they do a really good job of going in depth. I love Pimsleur. And then another one is italki, which I've actually used italki for years to practice my French, and I've had some Arabic lessons on there as well. So if you really want to sit and kind of get in there and practice before you go to a new place, those are the 3 places I would recommend. And also things like listening to podcasts, the news, different TV shows in the language that you are going to be immersing yourself in could also be really helpful things. I hope this video is helpful. The language barrier, for the most part, is not a problem when it comes to your teaching because everything that you're teaching will be in English. Other than that, if you can, get a translator to help when you're communicating with other teachers and parents, and try to do some research and knowledge on the language before you get there using apps like italki, Duolingo, or Pimsleur. Hope this helps, and I will see you tomorrow for day 19.